We are JM Manufacturing Company, India's leading manufacturer of automatic fly ash brick making plants and machinery, concrete blocks, and prefab building material machinery and construction equipment since the year 1985. Fly ash is a byproduct of power generated with coal combustion and has been an environmental hazard for our planet. Therefore, its utilization and recycling is a key concern for most thermal power plants. One of the most promising ways of recycling fly ash is by making construction bricks and blocks out of it. It not only solves the purpose of utilizing fly ash, but is a perfect replacement for conventional clay bricks, which are an environmental nuisance and have been banned in most parts of the country by the government. JM has been proactive on the cause since the year 1995 and has developed various machines for making high-quality fly ash bricks, and with the help of advanced technology and competent R&D, developed fully automatic plants which not only produces high-quality and quantity fly ash bricks, but the same equipment can also produce concrete bricks or blocks and paving blocks. Our first plant was installed at VTPS Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year 1996, followed by NTPC, Farakka, West Bengal, with NTPC being very proactive ever since and have installed our plants at most of their power plants nationwide and are installing more as we speak. The following videos showcase our machines from the oldest technology to the latest one. JBM 1500 is the first machine that was designed and manufactured at our facility and supplied and successfully installed at VTPS in the year 1996. And thereafter, NTPC has installed it at most of their thermal power plants across the country. This model is specifically designed to produce mainly fly ash bricks. It's also called a rotary type hydraulic press. This plant is capable of producing over 10,000 bricks in a shift. Followed by model number 7560 HPC automatic hydraulic power press for production of over 22,000 bricks in a single shift. Furthermore, there are fully automatic vibro-hydraulic machines, which is a technology used worldwide for production of higher quantity and quality products that not only produces fly ash bricks, but also produces high-quality concrete bricks or blocks and paving blocks, such as model number 7550 FHP. This machine can be installed with a 3-bin hopper for material batching or with an inline type batching plant, producing over 24,000 bricks, 12,000 paving blocks, and over 5,000 fly ash or concrete blocks per shift, and is capable of producing many other precast concrete products. The freshly casted products are seamlessly handled with an automatic pallet stacker to carefully stack green products, also saving space and making handling hassle-free. Followed by a bigger model 9660 FHP, which requires a batching plant, an optional cement or fly ash silo, can be used for production of over 45,000 bricks per shift and over 22,000 paving blocks, 10,000 hollow or solid fly ash or concrete blocks, and many other prefab construction products. Freshly casted products are then handled by an automatic pallet stacker to be delivered to curing yard or accelerated curing chamber. One of our plant is successfully installed and running in Oman since the year 2019. Another plant is successfully installed and running in Sudan since the year 2017. JM has manufactured and successfully installed over 5,000 machines all across India and the globe. JM has various other higher capacity models to offer with higher automation levels as per customers' needs.